Anthropic dropped a bomb. They released Claude Opus 4.7 today, and it is the only best model out there on the internet which is so capable. Yes, the only model in the entire AI history which is so capable. And I will show you everything you need to know about Claude Opus 4.7. So let's get started. And as you can see, Anthropic is saying our latest model Claude Opus 4.7 is now generally available. And if you see the metrics, it is already outcompeting all the world best model. If you see right now, Gemini 3.1 is best model from Google, GPT 5.4 is the best model from GPT, and Opus 4.6 till now best model from Anthropic. But right now, Anthropic did something crazy. Especially if you see the agentic coding, they are outperforming almost all benchmark. If you see agentic coding, it is outperforming like crazy. Where Gemini have 54, GPT have 57, Opus 4.7 is 53. But this time, Opus 4.7, it has 64.3%. And you can see all the upgrade. Here we have 87 instead of 80. From here it is 69 when you use agentic terminal coding. There are a lot of huge jumps, as you can see in agentic finance also. And if you give your attention, here is the in visual reasoning is going to be way better. So whenever you are giving images, video, something to Opus, it will going to outperform now with the Opus 4.7, and it will be going crazy for you. And the craziest part is the methods which is not released, and I created a detailed video on that. If you want, you can go and check out in the description, which is like so crazy model that Anthropic not able to release this model. This particular Opus 4.7 model is trying to reach there. Right now it is not there because it is of course not release model. No one knows when Anthropic will release this, but Opus 4.7 is so good, man. And there are few also important lines from Anthropic that last week we released Project Glasswing, where they realized that Claude methods can find a lot of vulnerabilities in big softwares. So now they are making sure that this particular model is good with when it is writing code which can produce bug and security vulnerabilities. So Opus 4.7 is also good in security, that's why, right? And as you can see, the testing is done here. And if you want to do is it visually how good it is, in Office Task it improved like this. In the vision it got great improvement. As you can see, you can use Opus 4.7 with high resolution of any vision. In the documentation reasoning it also improved. As you can see, the drastical improvement. It is crazy that it come from 57% to 80%. Means whatever you are doing related documents, reports, now Opus 4.7 is going to perform way better. Long context reasoning means when you are talking to AI from a lot of time and it collect a lot of context, how then model perform. And Opus 4.7 is again performing very cool here. And as you can see in the coding, it also performed good. Not a drastical improvement in the SWE bench coding, but yeah, it's good. It is improving. And the reason behind, I think, is coding is already a lot solved. So there are not much chances here, but yeah, Opus 4.0 is great again. And here are some safety and a lot of stuff is there. And they are also released like X high, means extra high efforts. Now you can use extra high efforts when you want to do more complex tasks. They are also releasing it with the Opus 4.7 Ultra Review and all other stuffs. And they are also mentioning that they will be releasing higher resolution images in on API support also. And one thing you have to notice that when you migrate from Opus 4.6 to Opus 4.7, it will be a bit costly for you because it will consume more tokens. And it seems obvious because whenever you want more intelligence, you will need to burn more tokens. So that will be a downside, I can say, if you are conscious about your tokens and don't want to spend much. Otherwise, Opus 4.7 is no brainer. You must go and check this out. It is going to be crazy. And I am going to do some crazy stuff with Opus 4.7 and will drop detailed videos on this particular channel, and we'll see how it is performing in the real world. So hit the subscribe button because we are one of the first creators who are sharing all the information that fast. And if you don't want to be slow and don't want to left behind, hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring the world. Bye bye.